Hi, chameleons! We're here about birds. We're going to learn about how they look like. What are the characteristics of birds? Do you know that birds are warm-blooded? They also have 2 feet. Its body is wrapped up in feathers. It has light bones that are extremely helpful for its flight. It has 2 wings. It has a beak or bill without any teeth. It lays solid eggs. And it enjoys very high metabolism rate. All the birds that travel north for the summer and south for the winter are called migratory birds. The highways which they follow in the sky are called migratory routes. The word migratory comes from the word migrate, which means to travel from one place to another to live. No one can be sure why birds migrate, kids. Some scientists, chameleons, think that birds have an instinct or inborn feeling to migrate. Because long ago, it became necessary for them to travel in order to get enough food. Some believe that the migration of birds, that's why they keep on traveling, because of great change in climate. Do you know, kids, that there are also birds that cannot fly? Yes! And these birds that cannot fly are like ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world, but it cannot fly. Some scientists believe that once, many thousands of years ago, the ostrich could fly like the other birds. Then slowly, a change began. Do you know why I think that they cannot fly, kids? Chameleons? Because they have bigger bones as compared to other birds. And it's hard for you to fly if you are big, you have bigger bones, meaning bigger bones, larger weight. And it's hard for us to fly. Here are different examples of bird's beak. We have here a generalist beak, the insect-catching beak. This one has a probing, a grain-eating bird, the coniferous seed-eating. We have here the aerial fishing. We have a nectar feeding. We have the fruit eating. And here, scavenging, chiseling, deep netting, surface skimming, and sighting. You've noticed that there are different kinds of beaks and bills. They differ in shapes, they differ in sizes, and of course, they also differ in color. You can see here a pigeon. A pigeon is also called messenger birds. As you can see, it has a male tucked into its beak, meaning it is about to go and travel to make sure that it will be able to send messages. If we have text messages today, long time ago, or few people from now are using pigeons to send letters. There you go, chameleons. We've learned about birds today. Good day!